Prior to the competition, read the documentation and skill-specific rules carefully. Participate in the discussion forum to discuss, communicate, and vote. The chief expert is the moderator of the forum. Complete the online competition rules quiz and skill-specific test. Expert's professional ability test, mainly for CAD/CAM system to set up CNC turning machine. Obtain dimensions, geometries, surface roughness, and etc. Experts who do not pass the test cannot join in the marking team. Check the toolbox in groups. Tools that are not shown on the tool list must be taken out and discussed to see if they are okay to be used. The total volume of the toolbox cannot exceed 2.8 cubic meter. Length 720. Width 600 millimeters. Width 600. Tall 1,118 millimeters. Tall 1,118. Okay. Experts divided into groups help examine the material, set up and calibrate the correct measuring tools, plan and decide the competition venue, and familiarize the equipment, tools, and schedule. Then, other general notes. We will put them on the bulletin board. You can check them anytime, okay? Okay, thanks everyone. Okay, thanks. Okay, let's keep working. Skill Competition Manager, Chief Expert, Deputy Chief Expert, Expert, and Interpreter from C-6 to C+1 in the designated area are allowed to use personal laptops, tablets, and cell phones. Skill Competition Manager, Chief Expert, Deputy Chief Expert, Competitor, Expert, Workshop Manager, and Interpreter at the work area are allowed to take pictures and films. Skill Management Team may regulate some related regulations in order to avoid specific information flowing out. Before taking pictures or filming, you have to get the permission first from Skill Management Team. Only before the competition can experts examine competitors' tools. At the competition, experts and interpreters cannot go into the workshop area or even touch the relevant equipment. At the competition, Chief Expert will divide experts into 3 groups, each of which is responsible for a specific task and marking. Experts are divided into 3 groups, T1 to T3. Group Green is for monitoring. Group Yellow is for marking 3 groups according to the job distribution. Takes turns. After the competitor finishes a module, the test project will be collected. Chief Expert and Deputy Chief Expert will write a secret code on the workpiece. From now on, anyone in the making team will not mention the code to the competitor. When marking on the workpiece, experts usually have some arguments with the visual inspection, such as clamp marks, scratch, crash marks, no unwanted features on the part, no burr, no chip, and so on. There is a team leader and 3 experts in each marking team. Each expert should mark on every aspect and according to the truth, or the score on the marking forms, and make sure the score is correct. Okay, after the competition, TD Occupational Standards. Discuss if we need to upgrade tools, CNC equipment, or any things in the skill specification. This is the drawing for today. This is the marking form. This is the safety notes and the 4-day schedule. Also, the general notes of this competition. the drawing and the standard tolerance, the specifications of DIN, including the use of micrometer, is all here. Then, in your working area, within 45 minutes, you can only do these things in this area. On the picture, you can also see clearly the equipment, the way you wear safety shoes, and you can't wear a watch. Hope you can follow the rules. Okay, fine, let's begin. What happened?
There's no dimension here.
Interpreter, please come here. What did she say?
Is there any problem? There's no dimension here. She said there was no dimension here.
On this spot, you can find it on the chart. Is it okay? Clear? Fine.